Hello there, mature fishing fans. Here we go. We got another one on. Another catfish, hopefully. Take them home and give them to the people at work. It's a nice one. I ain't seen him yet. He is mad. Listen to that drag feel. There he is. He's a channel. Come on up here, buddy. Look at that lip. Listen, listen. Oh, he's another chunky monkey. Drag just a little. There we go. One up to the surface. Listen, listen. Oh, he looks good too. Let me get this one time. I'm gonna use my right hand. First time. First time. First time. Come on in here. First time. First time. So be a first timer.
Extend your pole hand. There you go. Oh.
Back that hook right off there. There we go. Not the net king that time. But we did get him in. Another chunky monkey. You're killing those minnows. Something going on in that corn over there. Better than yesterday. I mean, we got some good fish yesterday, but this is something to talk about here. Ooh, he's so good. There we go. Learn about putting my fingers in his mouth.
Mm-hmm.
We'll learn. Look at that. Look at that good hook set. Come on out of there. He's hooked twice. Went through the mouth and hooked him again. Look at this. Look at this. Ah. Chunky monkey. Look at that belly. Woo! Should we weigh him?
Mm-hmm.
Let's take it up here and weigh him. Beat your buddy. Take you home, buddy. There we go. All right. Zero it out. 2 for 2. Come on, beat your buddy, beat your buddy, beat your buddy. Oh, he beat his buddy. 5, 5, 5, baby. 5, 6. 5, 6, 2. Locked at 5, 6, 2. There it is. All right, we won't be getting him off the net, off the hook and put him back in the water. He's going home. We're gonna need 10 more. What? Oh, uh-oh. What do we say? Hello in there.